Facebook Messenger, something went wrong, problem solve it. Hello guys, open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find every single app you have on your phone. So you have to wait a few seconds and after that, scroll. Okay, let's keep waiting. And now scroll until you find the Messenger right here. Click on Messenger, click on Force Stop, and then click on Storage, click on Clear Cache, Clear Data, go back again, and now click on Data Usage. This option is very important, so you have to enable those four options right here, all of them, and then go back to the settings and then click on Open by Default option and click on Open Supported Links in this app and choose Ask Every Time. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.